Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Touchstone Essentials Pure Body and Pure Body Extra detox supplements that use natural zeolite clinoptilolite to vacuum out toxins, heavy metals, and pollutants. Because apparently, in this day and age, we're all just walking biohazards in need of a deep clean. You can choose between the standard liquid dropper or the extra nano spray, which is designed for enhanced absorption, perfect for those who want their supplements to disappear faster than their motivation on a Monday morning. Consistent users report benefits like increased energy, better sleep, and improved focus. A 30-day trial even showed noticeable boosts in cognition and vitality, proving that maybe there is hope for our tired brains after all. The products are non-toxic, odorless, and generally well-tolerated, making them a smooth addition to your routine if you're looking to feel like a functional human being again. It's a nice change of pace to find something that doesn't taste like a chemistry experiment gone wrong. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of zeolite. While the product might be great at removing heavy metals, the company's marketing team seems to have a heavy-handed approach to your wallet. Many customers have reported major headaches when trying to cancel subscriptions, alongside various billing and customer service issues. It turns out that getting the toxins out of your body is actually much easier than getting this company out of your bank account.